Satani takamsunga tichamuchengeta mwedzi uno watinenge tinaye zvatapedza zvatiri kuita kana tazodaro tichamurelisa asi tikakwanisa kusunga Satani tinozosunga mamwe mafallen angels ese na deputy wavo because deputy wavo anonzi Leviathan uyo anogara mumvura, he stays in the waters.
Makazira kuba
zvese tozviziva because I am the deputy evil and commander patomboita mapetus ese timbocrasha navo patichimomonitor zvinhu zvedu like all the spiritual realms.
Munoita mabattles?
Yeah, this year I fought another battles, fierce battles. Like March we have some spiritual wars in the spiritual realms. It was me who was coordinating it and doing everything.
Okay, how do you connect? Tinangoona name say. Like we were
disconnecting the devil's networks in the spiritual realms, even on earth. But that time I managed to use almost like 500 billion of angelic troops when I was conducting those wars, those spiritual wars, February and March, 8 to 15 to 30 February, then 8 to 14 March when I was conducting those. So I had 2 major wars this year. And this one, it is mine, the arrest of the devil. It was my plan. It's me who started this, but I was helped by my commander. We arrested the devil. So it was me who was at the forefront arresting the devil, and we managed to capture him. So that's another battle I fought. Yes.
Body language alone tells me this